Anatomy of the anterior triangle of the neck. It is a large triangular region just in front of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. This is sternocleidomastoid muscle. And this triangle has an apex directed downwards and base directed upward. The boundary of the anterior triangle. Anteriorly, anterior median line of the neck. Posteriorly, the anterior boundary of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Base is formed by the lower border of the mandible and a line extending from the angle of the mandible to the mastoid process. The apex is the meeting point between the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle and anterior median line of the neck. The roof is formed by the investing layer of the deep cervical fascia. The subdivision of the anterior triangle of the neck is submental triangle, the submandibular triangle or digestive triangle, the carotid triangle, and the muscular triangle. The boundary of the submental triangle. On each side, anterior belly of the digestive muscle, base is formed by the body of the hyoid bone, apex is formed by the symphysis menti, floor is formed by the mylohyoid muscle, and the roof is formed by the investing layer of deep cervical fascia. The content of the submental triangle are submental lymph node beginning of the anterior jugular vein. The boundary of the muscular triangle. Anteriorly, the anterior median line extending from the hyoid bone to the suprasternal notch. Posterior superiorly, the superior valley of the omohyoid. Posterior inferiorly, anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid. Floor is formed by the sternothyroid muscle and thyroid muscle, sternocleidomastoid muscle. Roof is formed by the investing layer of deep cervical fascia. Its contain no significant structure. Beneath its floors lies the thyroid gland, trachea, and esophagus. The boundary of the carotid triangle. Posteriorly by the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid, anteriorly by the superior belly of the omohyoid, and superiorly by the posterior belly of the digestive muscle. Roof is formed by the investing layer of the deep cervical fascia. Floor is formed by the thyroid membrane, thyroglossus, and constrictor of the pharynx. Contain internal carotid artery, external carotid artery, internal jugular vein, the vagus nerve, the submandibular triangle or digestive triangle. In the above, it is bounded by the lower border of the mandible, and below and by the posterior belly of the digestive, and in front by the anterior belly of the digestive. Anteriorly, it contains submandibular gland, and posteriorly, it contains external carotid artery and some portion of the parotid gland. This is all about the anterior triangle of the neck. If you like this video, please share this video and support me by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching.